Okay, it's the last Thursday in August 2024. It's been a couple years since I've been up to Alexander Lake and the Uintas. So are you into going with me? Oh, there's so many Three Stooges Uinta jokes. Or is that Beverly Hillbillies? No, those are Go-Intas. Anyways, it's been too long, so we're going to go up there and hang out at the lake today. I will put the map from the guy at GPS. And one more thing I should point out. It's like right here, there's kind of a little parking lot. On the other side of 41, there's another little parking lot. So common sense telling you that people are wigging out at the road somewheres up there. And they're looking for a place to pull off of the road because their Prius won't make it. Okay, so for those of you who are playing along at home, or two-wheel drive, third gear, traction control off. Let me see if I remember the right way. The way I came last time anyways. Yep. That's what I want.
Mile, make a U-turn.
Shut up. There's so many roads around here, I could naturally just explore forever and ever. I'm at a T in the road. I'm gonna go straight. When you come to the T, go straight. Check my GPS. Going the correct way. Yeah, I see the lake peeking out through the trees over there. Ooh, a little ledge here. How about that? Cool mountain lakes, I love it. A little rocky. Oops. Just lost one of my GoPro dealies. Okay, so here it's starting to get a little, what's the word I'm looking for? Articulating. Camp here. Bother them. I think they're just reserving this for the weekend, maybe. I'm not concerned. Lake Alexander. Looks almost the same as it did years ago, except I think there was more of the wood floating over here back then. But I'm pretty sure whoever that is, they just stuck their tent up or left their tent there to reserve their spot, knowing no one would mess with it. There's probably nothing inside, there's nothing outside, so I'm going to take over their site for the day. This will be another cool campsite right here. Lots of flat area to put tents up. Big fire ring. Benches. We're at 9,400 feet and it's in the lower 70s, I want to say. Oh, got to do it for the video. Thank God there wasn't video back when I was growing up in the 70s, but check this out. It's just a long catwalk. Can I do this at 66 years old? Fuck yeah. Alexander Lake. Sure is beautiful up here. It's quiet. Wind's kind of noisy because it's blowing through the trees, but I consider that quiet. Alright, so time to leave Alexander Lake. But I think there's better spots on the other side of the lake because you'll get the sunset off the lake over there. I'm going to explore that next time I'm out here. But for now, let's see here. So we're going to go 4-wheel drive, traction control off, second gear. You too. High clearance here. If you got high clearance, you don't need to pick a line, you just need to go. Get out here by the lake. As I said, as I bump, that could have been a tire. A bit of a frame on that big rock there. I don't know. There's no way I needed 4-wheel drive to get out of here. Proper driving speed, cadence, control, momentum, all that stuff. I could have done that stuff down there, but the book also says to use it or lose it. Put it in 4-wheel drive once a month or something like that and drive it. So So for half a mile here, I got it in 4 high, second gear, and I really need to pay attention to the trail. Where am I? I would enjoy doing this trail in a two-door Jeep, two-door Bronco, four-door. The first thing I did on this was I took the back seats out, put them in storage, my storage room. Wondering why I'm driving so slow. It's not because of the road or the FJ. I'm four-wheel drive, and actually now I'm back in two-wheel drive. Traction control off. I'm going slow because of my bladder. Trails like this really make me pee. It's only a half mile long. I'm gonna wait till I get to the end at least.